How to update TokenPocket application. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update your TokenPocket application. To update your TokenPocket application, you will need to open your Play Store application of your device if you are an Android user. And if you are an iOS user, you may open App Store of your device. Here I am opening my Play Store of your device. Once you open the Play Store of your device, here at the bottom right, you will be able to see the search icon. Tap on the search icon and in this space you will be able to see the search bar at the top. Tap on the search bar and there type in the name TokenPocket. After you enter the name, now tap on the search icon of your keyboard in order to search for it. Within a while, you will be able to see the search results below. Here once you find the authentic TokenPocket application, tap on the app icon to enter it. And in this space, you will be able to see the update button at the right side. You need to go and tap on that update button in order to install the latest version of TokenPocket application. Here in my case, I have already updated my application, so I am not able to see the update button. If you also see open button instead of update, that means your application is already up to date. But if you find the update button, you simply need to tap on the update button and wait for a while until the update process completes. Once the update process completes, you need to tap on the open button and then you will be directed to the TokenPocket application. There you can use your login credentials in order to log into your account. And after that, you may find any new features that has been added after the successful update of your application. So by following these steps, you should be able to update TokenPocket application. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.